Welcome to our tutorial on how to mute notifications from users with unverified email addresses on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open Twitter on your PC and sign into your account. Step 2. On the left side of the page, navigate to the Notifications tab to access your notification settings. Step 3. Click on the Settings icon, usually found as a gear or 3 dots, to open the Settings menu. Step 4. Within the Settings menu, select Filters, then choose Muted Notifications to manage your notification preferences. Step 5. In the Muted Notifications section, tick the box next to Who haven't confirmed their email to mute notifications from users who have not verified their email addresses. By following these steps, you can effectively customize your notification settings on Twitter to filter out notifications from users with unverified email addresses, ensuring a more streamlined and tailored notification experience. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to mute notifications from users with unverified email addresses on Twitter using your PC. Enjoy a more organized and focused Twitter notification experience.